In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to install fonts on your iPhone. So in iPhone, here is no option to change your iPhone system fonts. But if you want, you can change your iPhone keyboard font. And right now, I'll show you how you can easily get custom or fancy fonts in your iPhone keyboard. First of all, we have to install these fonts app in our iPhone. So go to your app store and search for fonts and just install this fonts app. And once the fonts app installed, open the app and tap on get started, accept all and continue. Next, tap on next, and tap on add now, and you will directly jump into your iPhone font settings page. Here tap on keyboards and you have to enable fonts. Also enable allow full access, allow, and now go back to the app again, and now just cross this page, and now here in this app you will find lots of fancy fonts. You can use any of them. Now I'm going to my notes app again and opening my keyboard here, and now to change your iPhone default keyboard, here you will find a bunch of fonts. All you have to need, go ahead and select a free font for your keyboard, and here you can see this is a free font. As you can see, my font has been successfully changed. So that's how you'll be able to download or add custom fonts in your iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.